I have multiple tabs open in Chrome, but I want to look at two of them at the same time. So all I can do now is switch between them. If I want to look at two of them at once, I'm going to click on my app switcher. Your button may be on this side, maybe on that side, maybe a square on this side, or a pair of arrows on this side. And then find Chrome, click on the button at the top, the icon for it, and then choose Open in Split Screen View, which is an option that you'll get. Then pick any other app, doesn't matter, I've just got my settings here. That'll open in the bottom. And then now, when you go to the three dots in Chrome at the top, you have a new option that says Move to Other Window. That'll move the content in one of your tabs to the other window. And then you'll be able to see two windows at once. To get out of this, all you have to do is drag this dividing bar up to the top. It also lets you change how much size, how much space each of those two windows gets.